Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to cancel order on TikTok Shop. So without further ado, let's just dive right into the process, because the first thing I would like to mention here is that there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So it is going to be really helpful if you actually do that. So now, how you can actually cancel your order is that first of all you have to ask the seller to cancel it for you. So this is because TikTok Shop features does not provide cancel order menu. Therefore, the buyer cannot cancel an order that is already in process. So the one way you can do this is to contact the seller to cancel the order. However, the seller also cannot immediately cancel orders they have processed. So you have to wait for a couple of um, time or minutes before you actually be able to do that step to cancel it. So make sure you wait and ask the seller to cancel the order for you. That is going to be super amazing and helpful for you guys as well. So I hope you get the things right, guys, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these, and head over to the link in the description of this video to simply donate to our channel. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this one. Thank you so much for watching.